Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all of the coders, developers, and AI enthusiasts out there. We are diving into the WebDev Arena, a completely free AI-powered coding tool that's making waves in the AI community. Imagine getting side-by-side coding help from some of the biggest AI models like GPT 4.0, Claude 3.5, and even experimental ones like Gemini. Did I mention no account needed? Stick around because this might just change the way you code forever. So what is WebDev Arena? It's a new platform by LMS, the same folks who brought us the Copilot Arena. If you're unfamiliar, LMS is known as the AI Leaderboard, where they test and rank AI models for different tasks. I can show you here. We got this a leaderboard link over here, and you can also see LM Arena. There we go. And those are actually models which they are actually winning. So you gotta rank here, and you can go ahead and click on each and every one, and you can go and just see what's the rankings are and everything else. It's there inside this blog chat here, okay, where you can find it on the left hand side of the WebDev Arena. Okay, so WebDev Arena is their latest venture. Okay, that's something really new out there, built specifically for coding. And it allows you to submit a coding prompt, okay, get responses from two competing AI models side by side, like here, preview the code, and vote for the better output. So let me show you how easy it is to get started. Okay, so once you're on their website, web.lmarena.ai, okay, it says WebDev Arena here, okay, you will see the clean and simple interface, okay, it's very simple to use. On the left, there is a sidebar with options to start a new chat or battle, okay, so there you go, you can go ahead and place this new one, and every time when you want to go and test something new, just go ahead and click that new chat button, okay. In the center, you got two panels for model outputs and prompt box at the bottom. Okay, so let's type in something like, I don't know, you can choose from one of those which are already, pre-made. Okay, so there you go. Create a metric dashboard layout. Okay, let's go and click on this one. All right. Then boom, within the seconds, both models start generating React code. Okay, and it looks at this. You can see the code being streamed in the real time. I think that's really amazing. All right. Um, uh, you can even preview the output side by side, and if you like one more than the other, just cast your vote. It's that simple. Okay, so you got a code here, you got a code here, and if you want to go ahead and just place your vote, you just write in here left is better, right is better, or there is a tie. Okay, and if you don't like any of those, just say both are bad. But I'm pretty sure some of you guys already know that you prefer one. Maybe another one, or it's something which really up to yourself to decide it. Okay, so now here's why web dev arena stands out. It's free. All right, so no subscriptions, no signups, just jump in and start coding. Interactive and flexible. You can refine the generated code by adding new prompts like changing colors or adding titles. You can just simply place whatever you need additional one here, okay, and that would be it. Okay, you can go ahead and you're gonna see it, right? So that's no problem at all. You can preview and share it. You can generate previews of your code and share them with a simple link. All right. So here's the link. You can go ahead, copy it, and boom, you shared your code and with other people who actually can make a decision. Is this something worth it to try, or is it something they rather not to use? Okay. And it's open interface coming soon. So you will eventually be able to use this locally with your own API keys. If you have I don't know, ChatGPT, Perplexity, any other ones, you can put your API. It's coming short. It's coming soon, and you can start using that with your own API key. Okay. The only drawback right now, it only generates React code, so no other codes available. So if you are working on other frameworks, you will have to tweak it manually. But hey, for quick prototypes and testing, it's awesome. I think it's awesome. It's free of charge, and it gives you the results in seconds. All right. So one of my favorite things about WebDev Arena is that you get access to some of the best AI models models out there. Like, I'm going to show you the leaderboards. All right. So you got Claude 3.5, which is currently 3.5 Sonnet, okay, which is currently on the top. You got Gemini, GPT 4.0, Gemini 2.0, like so many, okay. And there is the coolest part. You see their output side by side, which gives you a clear idea of which model works better for your coding. I think that's absolutely amazing. Okay, I think it's something which you guys would like to go ahead and start using. Okay, so let's face it, not everyone can afford premium AI tools, and this one is free of charge. WebDev Arena gives you free access to cutting-edge AI for coding tasks, whether you are building a quick prototype, testing LLM capabilities, or just exploring what's possible with AI. So what you are waiting for? Okay, head over to WebDev Arena. I will be leaving the link below. Test it out and see which AI model works best for you. Oh, and let me know in the comments which model impressed you the best. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your developer friends.